In today's video, I want to introduce a free indicator on TradingView that can make you consistent profit. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a trading strategy based on this indicator that gives the most accurate buy-sell signals ever. Alright, to add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search Rainbow RSI. This one. Rainbow Adaptive RSI, which is a free indicator from Lux Algo. Alright, this is the indicator and it's an improved version of RSI where it uses an adaptive moving average as an input for RSI, and by doing so it minimizes the impact of retracements. So let me add the original RSI to our chart, this one, Relative Strength Index, to illustrate how they differ from each other. With the original RSI, you know that it's very sensitive to retracements or pullbacks in the market, and unfortunately it generates many false signals, whether it's crossing below 80 or crossing below its moving average line or even crossing below 50. But as you can see, these are all false signals and the trend is continuing its upside direction. But with this new and improved version of RSI, as long as it's green, whether it's above 80 or goes below 80, we conclude that the market is in an uptrend and the price is moving higher and higher. When it turns to orange color, it tells us that the uptrend is weakening, and here we have three scenarios. It may be a deep pullback and after that the price continues advancing, or it may be the case that the uptrend is really weakening and the price may go to a trading range before either continuation of the prior trend or reversal. And in the third situation, this can be a sign that a reversal is happening now, which is the case here. And when our indicator turns to red color, it shows that the market is in a downtrend and the price is declining. But in the same period, you can see how RSI is generating all these oversold readings, crossing above 20, crossing above its moving average line, and even crossing above 50, while the downtrend is continuing its downside movement. And similarly here, when it turns to orange color, it shows that the downtrend is weakening, and we have the three scenarios that I just explained, which in this case we got a deep pullback and after that the price made lower low. The indicator turned to red color here, but it couldn't stay in red color and it turned to orange, and it seems that the price is going to a trading range. This indicator also provides buy-sell signals by the help of these small dots when the two lines of the indicator cross each other, actually when the ribbon turns to green or red. But we shouldn't rely only on these signals, because in situations like this where we have a deep pullback, we can have a false signal like this, or in times that the market is in a trading range like here in this part, we can have many false signals. Alright, now that you learn how you can use this indicator for identifying trends and evaluating the strength or weakness of trends, let me teach you a trading strategy based on this indicator, which is highly profitable. For this strategy, we add another two indicators. Here we click on indicators and we search parabolic SAR. We add this one, which is a built-in indicator in TradingView platform, and we need to adjust its settings. Here in the inputs tab, for the start we set it at 0.01, and for the increment also we set it at 0.01, and for the max value we set it at 0.1. Alright, and the next indicator that we want to add is squeeze index, this one, which is a free indicator from Lux Algo, and we're going to use this indicator with its default settings. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this trading strategy. We use this Rainbow RSI for trend identification as I explained earlier, and we use squeeze index for identifying non-trending markets. When it's above 80 and red, it shows that the market is not trending, which can be a trading range like here, or it can be during the pullbacks. And we use parabolic SAR for evaluating momentum changes in the market. If you're familiar with this indicator, when it's below zero, the price is advancing, and when it's above zero, the price is declining. Alright, when Rainbow RSI is green, we look for long position opportunities. In this situation, we wait for the squeeze index to go above 80 and becoming red, which can possibly show a pullback in the market. And then when it crosses back below 80, it's a buy signal. It's a buy signal because Rainbow RSI is green and the trend is up. The signal is confirmed if parabolic SAR is below the price. So we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and the profit order for this trade is placed at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 1.5, and as you can see, it's a profitable trade. After this trade, we got another signal here, which is a confirmed signal, so we can enter another long position here at this point, and this trade is also a profitable profitable trade, as you can see. From here, the squeeze became red, but it didn't go back below 80, and it shows that the market is not trending here in this part. And we wait until a new trend is established, which from here, the rainbow RSI became red and telling us that the market is in a downtrend. Similarly, we wait for the squeeze index to go above 80 and crosses back below 80, and the signal is confirmed only if the parabolic SAR is above the price. So we can enter a short position here as this new candle is opened. And after this trade, which is a profitable trade, another short position could be entered here at this point after this signal. But for this trade, which we would place our stop loss here above the previous swing high, you can see that our stop loss would probably hit here, unless if, for example, we would place it a little bit higher. And this trade would probably end up in loss because here our stop loss would hit, although after that the price declined and could potentially reach to our target. But because of this deep pullback that formed here, and I explained this about earlier, this position would end up in loss. Actually, we could avoid this loss, for example, here when there is a sign that the downtrend is weakening here when it's turned to orange color. So by the help of this sign, we could also close our position around here with no loss. But please pay attention that this is an important point that you must pay attention. Although this strategy is very accurate, but it doesn't mean it generates 100% guaranteed signals, and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for active trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is the most important factor in your trading success. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.